Hello friends, welcome to channel 3T. Today we are going to show you our 91st Saudi National Day celebration at Al Khara Mountain Al Hassa.
Each year, September 23rd is a chance for Saudi citizens to demonstrate their pride in the nation, celebrate their cultural heritage, and look toward the future. The kingdom marks National Day with folk dances, songs, and traditional festivals. The roads and buildings are decorated with Saudi flags. To celebrate its 91st National Day, Saudi Arabia is holding dozens of massive celebrations across the kingdom to mark the event. Events such as light shows and cultural exhibits were held in the country's capital during the commemoration.
As part of it, Aqsa Tourism Company, Aqsana hold a massive National Day exhibitions in Al Khara Mountain known as Land of Civilizations. Along with Saudi nationals, we also get a chance to participate in these spectacular exhibitions. So, once again, welcome to the magical sites.
Upon entering, we can see the dominant green color theme in this exhibition. In it, we can see the magic of different colors through various paintings displayed which created by a local lady artist, which is amazing. Going forward, Al Hassa's tourism activities will be explained in the tourism promotion stall. From here, we came to know the safari trip to Yellow Lake and school cultural tour programs which we can book through info at saudifriendship.com and youthcafeinternational@gmail.com.
Next, we move to calligraphy star. Calligraphy is a visual art related to writing. It is the design and execution of lettering with a pen, ink brush, or other writing instrument. Here, a young man offers to write our name beautifully in calligraphy letters for free. We also took the opportunity to write our name from calligraphy star. We thanked the young artist and went to the another star.
Here, a young Saudi novelist had put his book up for sale. Since the narration of book is in Arabic, he gave a brief description of his
It's
novel.
about a girl named Sadan. She's a 19 years old girl. Her father threw her in the desert first and she became a man. And he thought she would die, but now she started her journey in a magic and metaphysics world. And she will try to get her revenge by magic.
Wishing the young man all the best, then we went to the next stall and we were showed locally made biscuits. This man explained the method of baking and the raw materials used for this biscuit and given a sample of the biscuit which was delicious.
The next stall displays a variety of local handicrafts. From here, we will go to the main attraction of this exhibition, where they will welcome us with an Arabic coffee, Al Hassa dates and locally made sweets, and giving us the opportunity to take photos in the traditional Saudi attire with holding falcon birds in our hand. It was a mind-blowing experience to us.
After that, we are now at the end of this exhibition. Here, visitors will eager to leave their well wishes and signatures in this beautifully displayed banner. We also wrote our greetings in our own language. The Channel 3T continues its journey by saying goodbye to this exhibition, which gave us the opportunity to see and experience the most unforgettable moments.
Hope all you enjoyed these videos. Then stay tuned for the next awesome videos. Bye bye until then. Thank you.